Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients together, the oil, the water and the egg. And then we're going to add it to the dry ingredients. Take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you use a cup of milk instead of a cup of water, you don't have to use the vanilla extract, but I think it adds a little bit flavor to the corn muffins. Okay. And make sure that the egg mixed good with the water and the oil. And we're gonna pour it on the dry ingredients and mix it just until it will be integrated, until all the ingredients will be mixed together good, but we don't want to over mix it, because one of the things in a muffin is that it needs to be heavier than a cake. So if you mix it too much, it might be too airy, too fluffy, which we don't want. You can see that the mixture is finished now. It's a little bit lumpy, but it's finished.